this is Sipika here from Grace Threading. How are you? Today I'm gonna make a DIY video for how to do threading and how to do self-care at home. I know this time everybody is right now desperate. Even we are looking forward to see you and meet you, everybody. I mean, we are missing everybody a lot. So here I'm gonna make a small tutorial. What I did is I took the Grace Threading thread and you make a loop like that. If you have small hands, make small loop. If you have big hands, you can go bigger. I have small hands, so I'll make a smaller loop. This is good enough for me. And now this is the important stuff is, like, say when you did this, so 1 2 3 4 5, and you make a scissor like that. Okay, and let's say if you have a hair over here, you go this direction and you do like that. On this side you do other way, the scissor. That's how you do take care of yourself at home. So here, this is a loop. One more time, 1 2 3 4 5, and this is a scissor. That's how you work. I'm so looking forward to meet everybody, and I feel that when we take the hair out, when we do the brows, full face, or any kind of those kind of things, waxing, it's not just we are making the woman beautiful, not just giving them confidence. I feel this quarantine realizes me that it takes some negativity out too, and it brings harmony. So looking forward to meet everybody soon, and till then, stay safe, stay tuned. I'll keep you updated when we are opening, and I think we will be opening soon. And be in touch. Bye. Love you all.